Okay, so now we have another example problem to do for solving an equation by factoring. Right off the bat in this problem, x squared plus 11x equals negative 18. What you ought to notice is that it is not in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add 18 to both sides to get a 0 on the right side. Now once I get that 0 on the right side, I'm going to do exactly the same method as I've been doing before, which is to say I'm going to find the two numbers that multiply to positive 18 and add to negative 11. What two numbers multiply to positive 18 and add to negative 11? Well, the two numbers are positive 9 and positive 2. 9 times 2 equals 18, and 9 plus 2 equals 11. So now that I have this in factored form, I am going to apply the zero product rule that we learned in section 10.4. And so what was different? Well, what's the difference between the directions solve and factor? Well, solve means, when it's a quadratic, find where the graph crosses the x-axis. Factor just means pull it apart. In this problem where it's equal, when we have an equal sign, every time you see an equal sign, that means solve. So now we're going to apply the zero product rule. What number could we plug in for the x to make the x plus 9 equal to 0? Well, a negative 9. And what number could we plug into the x when the x plus 2 is going to be a negative 2? So negative 9 and negative 2 are our solutions.